Can still buy your winner take all your doubles forecast extra double trifecta quartet pentapecta daily double plus one for this race number 7. Only waiting for the rider, Jackie Jesse B. Gusa to climb back. Set to go now. Good luck on your winner take all race number 7. Anytime now. Gates open, that up and racing. Diamond Magic draws for your lead. Domek moving up by the release. Manly, Ever Charming running in between runners now, grabbing the lead. Ever Charming takes command, Something New moving up to take second. Then comes Domek. Diamond Magic racing in fourth by the release. Never on Sunday. Manley fading out. Then comes Money Angel, followed by Danny's Minstrel. Winner take all, and trailing the group is Dugos Charm. Rounding at the 600, Ever Charming, Something New down on the inside. Domek racing in third. Never on Sunday in fourth. Down in fifth is Diamond Magic as they race towards the 450. Two runners parting it out. Now we have Something New, Ever Charming, Domek arriving at the race to Never on Sunday as they swing for home. Domek now the leader by the rail. Something New, Never on Sunday is racing in third, and down the stretch they come. Domek followed now by Never on Sunday on the outside. Domek, Never on Sunday, leveling up on the outside, but Domek is by the rail. Domek, Never on Sunday, doing the better and winning this race over Domek. Winner take all, Something New, Dugos Charm for your pentafecta.